Hey, Josh Goff here with Commonwealth Curb Appeal. A lot of folks ask us if travertine is slick, especially since we use it around pools a whole lot. And the answer is no, it's not really that slick, and I'm going to demonstrate that here today. I'm going to start with shoes, and then I'll take my shoes off. So I'm going to run and just... I'll take my shoes off. A little. A very little, but I'm like trying to slide, so I hope that's helpful. And if you're looking for a hardscape project, whether it's out of pavers or travertine or any other kind of natural stone, call us or go online to commonwealthcurbappeal.com and fill out our form for a quote. Have a good one.